Commercial electric pressure cooker instructions. Open the lid. Hold the lid tightly with both hands. The handle rotates the lid clockwise to the limit edge. Then lift the lid up. Take out the inner pot. Wipe the outer surface, bottom, and heating plate to avoid foreign objects. Put the inner pot in and turn it left and right 3 to 5 times. Ensure the inner pot is in good contact with heating plate. Put food and water in the pot. Notice that the height of food should not be higher than 4/5 of the inner pot. Food that swells in water, then it cannot be higher than 3/5 of the inner pot. And the height of good cannot be lower than 1/5 of the inner pot. The following is the amount of rice cooked for each model. These rate of water and rice for reference only. Check whether the sealing ring has been placed in the lid, then hold the handle of pot lid and lay it flat to the edge of the line. Rotate the lid counterclockwise to the snapped position. Also heard a clicking sound. After the lid is closed, the exhaust valve must be installed on its seat. When the exhaust valve is flat, it is in a sealed state. And check if the float valve is down. Then start cooking through the button function. When the screen keeps flashing, it means the machine is working. The internal pressure generated caused the valve to rise. Automatically turn to the keep warm state after cooking and prompt with a beep sound. At this time, the standby and keep warm light are on. Open the lid. First, push the exhaust valve to the other side. Lift the exhaust valve to the step, will automatic exhaust, until the pressure in the pot is completely released and wait the valve falls. Then can open the lid safely. Note that if the mainstream food such as porridge, viscous fluid, etc., it must be cooled down until the float valve falls. Then press the exhaust valve to deflate, or the food will be sprayed out of the vent pipe. In this case, a non-drip damp cloth can be used. Spread on the surface to accelerated cooling. Cook rice, soup, meat, porridge, beans, tendons, and other function. Press this function button. The screen display the number after the P. It represent the minutes of dwell time. The default dwell time corresponding to each functions are as follows. Holding time is the internal pressure reaches a certain value, or the length of time to start the countdown when the temperature. Optional pressure holding function. After selecting the desired function, pressure this button, then adjust the dwell time by pressing the plus or button. Automatically work after 5 seconds. Open lid cooking. Same as previous button. Press this button in standby mode to open the lid and cook. But if the cover is closed, this key is invalid. Timer function. In standby mode, press this appointment button to set the time. Here need to press this button to adjust. Range from 0 to 24 hours. After then, press other cooking function to start countdown. Taste choice. Press this to choose less, normal, or more. Different taste with different holding time, less with shorter time, and more with longer time. In working condition, press this key to cancel the program and enter standby state. Press it in standby state will enter keep warm. Attention! This is commercial equipment. Trained before use it. And follow the manual. Avoid incorrect option causing damage or injury user. Repair fee will be charged by incorrect use. Thank you.